blowing. Wow. It's all the way up there. I'm going almost 7, 10 meter. Wow. And it's raining hard. Oh! It's pouring hell! Shell! Run! Wow! And still Tello is still making it to the car. Run, buddy, run! You're soaking wet. Woo! Yep. So you guys seen already, on the extremest wind, Tello can still bring you to your car. It's not gonna return to home. You see what I'm talking about? Woo! Woo!
Thank you for watching to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, share,